In this short tutorial, I will show you how to turn off your iPhone in just a few simple steps. Turning off your iPhone can be useful when you need to conserve battery life or troubleshoot any issues. It's a straightforward process that anyone can do. To turn off your iPhone, first locate the power button. On most iPhones, including older models like the iPhone 6 or 7, the power button is located on the top right-hand side of the device. Once you find it, press and hold it along with the volume up or volume down button until you see a slider appear on the screen. This slider provides options such as slide to power off or cancel. Using your finger, swipe the slider from left to right to turn off your iPhone. It may take a few seconds for the screen to go black and for the device to shut down. One thing to keep in mind is that turning off your iPhone will shut down all apps and functions, so make sure to save any important work before doing so. Turning it back on is just as easy. Simply press and hold the power button again until the Apple logo appears on the screen. There is another way to turn off your iPhone. To do that, open up the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down a bit, and tap General. Once you are on this page, scroll down to the very bottom, and you'll see an option called Shut Down. Just tap on it. Now all you have to do next is swipe the slider from left to right to turn off your iPhone. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.